Are you truly fine?
Honestly, I don't know, Liv. Midday. Midday is not the man I married. He has completely changed. For bad. And it hurts me. It hurts me so much. Because we used to be so peaceful. And now everything is changing.
How are things with you and Michael?
I have not heard from Michael since. And I won't be surprised if I wake up one morning and realize he has blocked me everywhere. I deserve it. I feel so bad. I feel like I'm losing two people I care about. My husband and then my friend.
It's
I don't
fine.
know.
It's
Why?
fine.
Why
It's
is it
fine.
happening to me?
Charlene, you just need to relax, okay? Alright?
And now I've disappointed my fans too. My life is such a mess.
I told you I handled that already. Your fans are okay. Just relax. Hey. Charlene, are you okay?
Is he his father?
Whose father?
Your son, Nino. Is Olumide his father?
Charlene, what are you talking about?
Don't you dare stand in front of me and lie! I traced every penny he diverted to your account. Or should I say your secret account in your son's name? Liz, how can you do this to me? How can you do this to me? You called me your sister. I took you as my best friend. How can you do this to me, Liz?
Charlene, I'm sorry.
Shut up. Shut up.
Charlene, I'm sorry.
Get out.
I
I said get out! Just don't let me push you! Get out! Go! Oh God, this is not happening to me, God. Oh my God. Oh. Hey! 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 Honestly, I know most of you have not tried this, but trust me, it's a good recipe. Once you set your food and other things, you add this. First, you put 1 slice of cucumber into the water. Amazing, right? I know most of you will be wondering how this works, but not to worry, I will explain the chemistry behind this on my next video. So please, I want to oblige that you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell all their loved ones to join me on my next live video. Okay? Thank you. God.
That was amazing.
You like it? Let me see.
Yes, of course.
Ooh,
This
this looks so good.
This is amazing. It
Yeah.
is. What? 10,000 views in 45 minutes.
Awesome.
Yeah, this is great.
I'm sure we'll have more engagement on the next live.
This is good. Trust me.
Wow. You're doing really, really good.
Thank you. Thank you.
That reminds me.
What?
Charlene, it seems to me you don't want to take Buffler's offer.
No.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
Girl, I mean, what they're offering is really good. I mean, this is really going to help you. Imagine being invited to the expensive, big parties. Huh?
Olive.
Do you know what it means being in the midst of 1% of the 1%?
Olive, I have told you this several times. I'm not interested. I'm comfortable just like this.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, I have to run. I need to pick Nina from school, and you, my friend, you need to prepare for the big evening.
Yeah. And hey, I forgive you for missing out on my anniversary, but make sure you're with your phone because I'm going to give you all the gist in details pretty soon.
Charlene, no.
Yeah, pick up when I call you. What do you mean no?
No, because I don't want the details.
Why not? You are my best friend.
Charlotte,
What?
you know what you have to do? Put your phone off and enjoy the moment.
Why should I turn off my phone?
Because I don't want you waking up in the middle of the night to call me to give me all the details. I don't want even the slightest detail. I don't want it.
That was a drunken mistake. And it's my repeat itself again because I plan on getting so drunk.
Okay, fine.
I will call you and you don't have...
No, I don't want to.
No, darling, I am going to call
please
you
don't call me,
and make
Charlene, I
sure you
told
keep
you
your
already.
phone on. Olive, hold on. See how you're making me stress. You know it's my anniversary.
Finally, I'm home. Wow. Honey, I'm so sorry I'm late. Babe. Babe, are you okay? Babe. Babe, are you okay? Charlene! Charlene! Jesus.
I'm really so sorry, Dr. Olumide, for your loss. I know you have been waiting for this good news for quite a long time now. I'm truly sorry.
Midday? What's going on? Midday? Midday? Charlene? 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 Oh my goodness. Charlene! It's Olivia. Open the door. Open the door. It's Olivia. Charlene, open this door. Charlene, open this door.
Hello, Midday. Midday, please, you need to come back home now. I walked in here and since I stepped into this house, I've not set my eyes on Charlene. I walked upstairs now, I've been knocking, she refused to open the door. Yes, she locked herself inside. Midday, what sort of surgery are you doing that you can't come see your wife? Midday, do you want to carry Charlie's lifeless body out of this house when you get here? Okay, fine. Please get yourself here now.
Charlene. Oh, Jesus. Charlene.
Patrick. Jesus, Charlene. Please, when she's up, call me.
Yes, of course.
I mean it.
Of course I will.
I mean, Midday, what I'm saying is, I can come relieve you of her while you go back to work. Tonight.
Look, you don't have to do any of that. You don't. I think I put you through enough stress already.
What do you mean by enough stress? We're talking about my friend. Charlene is practically like a sister to me. You think if tables were turned, she won't do more for me?
Right. You're correct. But I'm only glad that you're here at the time that you came. I mean, things could have escalated. So if anything, I should be saying thank you.
That's okay. But then again, I understand how busy you can be at work. But Midday, you should always try to put a call across. You know your wife's condition. Try to call home and know how she's faring. Alright?
Alright, I'll do that.
Just an advice.
Okay.
Alright. Please don't forget to call me tonight if anything.
I won't. Charlene? Sweetie? Charlene?
Good morning.
Good morning. I think we need help.
I don't need the help. I can manage my home myself.
Charlene, please. I think we should get professional help.
Professional help to do what?
Look, things are not getting any better. All you do is stay in one part of the room and just ignore me. And how long is that gonna last for? Look, I get it. You seem to have blamed me for everything. You don't want to talk to me. You bottle things up, and for how long is this going to continue? If it wasn't for Olivia, I wouldn't have even known that you tried to take your own life. So please, if part of this is you wanting to blame me, so just go ahead and blame me. You already blamed me for our miscarriage. So just go ahead and say that it's my fault.
Yes. It's your fault. It's your fault. Every pain I passed through, it's because of you. If you were here, I wouldn't have lost my first child. While you were there, saving somebody, I was here, losing my baby. So yes, it's your fault. Are you happy now?
Welcome. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Oh my god, you look way better than the last time I saw you.
I do?
Yes, you do.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
This is for you. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Wow, this way you're taking.
You look so fine, though.
Thank you. Please, do we have a new recipe? Let me.
Charlene, you did not.
Of course I did. I wanted to get it off my chest. And to be honest, I felt better after doing that.
Okay. But you know everything you said to him. You didn't mean it.
Yeah, I know. I know it's not his fault. But if he had taken my calls and told me that he had an emergency surgery, perhaps I wouldn't have drank so much. I wouldn't have had that tummy pain that made us lose our child. So it's his fault.
Charlene, you know you're saying all these just to make yourself feel better. Midday is a good guy. This guy loves you. He wouldn't have stood you up if it wasn't important, and you know it.
Yeah, I know.
Listen, it's not good for two of you. You need to communicate, clear things. With everything happening to you both, it's not good to be living like strangers in this house.
You're right, Leaf. I'll talk to him.
Okay, so enough about you and Midday. Now let's talk about business. Yeah. So Blue Flares, they came up with more juicy deals. Yep. And good thing is it's going to be a morning show, so you don't have to leave your house to go to the studio. They will bring the studio here and set it up here or anywhere you want.
Interesting.
And also Killerman wants an interview.
Killerman. As in Kristen Killerman?
Yes.
Of Flora magazine?
Yes.
Really? What?
Why are you surprised?
Why not?
Charlene, I know to you it seems whatever it is you're doing here is really small, but it's not. Okay? Girl, you don't know how many lives, relationships, and marriages you've saved with this little show of yours. You're doing great. And also, I think you should look at these offers. Just try and sleep over it, that's all.
Okay. I will.
You will?
Yeah.
You've agreed to two things. Talking things over with Midday and
And
sleeping over these offers.
yes,
Okay.
I'll do that.
All right. So,
Cleaning is a therapy for me, Mom. It helps me distress.
You are dealing with emotions. Just go out. Go feed your eyes with stuffs. Go anywhere, zoo, parks, movies. Not stuck up in that hole battling your demons. Go visit your friends or peers, whichever one you keep.
Mom, you worry too much.
That's my job as your mother. Soon enough, baby girl, you will understand that.
Okay. Let me finish what I'm doing, then I'll try.
I'm booking the next flight out.
No, Mom, you don't have to come here. Okay, fine. Fine, I'll go out.
This is for your own good. And talk to Olumide already. Will you?
Okay.
They shouldn't put a strain on your relationship. You are a go-to relationship expert. You surely don't need me spelling things out for you, do you? Send my love to him. And Charlene, I want proofs.
Hi, Mom. Yeah, I'm good. Mom, you're right. I feel so better after going out. Yes, thank you. Sure. See you soon. Thank you, Mom. Hey! Stop! Wait! Stop! Come here! Hey there. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
What happened? Who are those girls?
You're my seniors at school.
Your seniors? So why were they hitting you? Why are you here? Where are your parents?
I'm waiting for my dad.
Your dad? Okay, let's wait for him in my car. Okay? What's your name?
Cherry.
Cherry?
Hey, young woman, what's the problem? What are you doing with my daughter?
Mike.
Charlene?
Oh my God, Mike.
What?
What?
It's been a while.
It's been ages.
Sorry.
Your daughter?
Yes. Sherry,
Mike,
what is it?
Look, I was driving past and then I saw two girls. She said her seniors from school. They were bullying her or
What?
beating her. I don't even know.
I'm fine. Let's just go home.
What do you mean you're fine? Are you being bullied in school? You never told me?
I thought I could handle it.
Handle what?
Mike, please. This is not the time for this.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. Right, let's go home.
Charlene,
Here.
thank you so much for helping out. I really appreciate.
It's okay.
Please, let me quickly take her to the hospital or something. I don't know. Can I just have your number? Maybe I'll call you much later.
Yeah, sure.
All right, fine.
Can we just go home?
Babe, we'll go. Are you okay?
Fine.
Thank you very much.
Right.
I appreciate it.
Please take care of your daughter.
Sure.
Mike. Wow.
You back from work?
Yeah. You're cooking?
Yes. I knew that you'd be tired by the time you get back, so I decided to make us dinner.
That's nice. When did you come back?
Not too long ago.
Okay. I'll go change my clothes and come down so we can have dinner the usual way. Sounds cool?
That sounds nice.
That smells so good.
I know, right?
Right.
Okay, see you downstairs.
All right, babe. Hey, babes. What? For you.
Thank you. Well, someone is looking exceptional today.
I know. Midday and I made up.
Tell me about it.
It's been pretty nice nights and days since then.
Well, I'm happy. I'm happy to finally have my friend back again.
Too. Thank you. On that note, I thought about granting Christine the interview.
You don't say.
Yes, why not? You said it's good for my channel, right?
Yes, it is.
So let's have it.
Really? Yes. Okay. So, Kristen Killerman's interview done.
Yeah.
So, what do you have to say about blue flares?
Blue flares. Well, I think I'm not interested.
Girl, the conditions.
I know, but they want me to work for them so they pay me. Do you realize how much we make working for ourselves? So why do I have to stress? No. Let's just do it with Christine and that's it.
Okay, you have a valid point. Well, Killerman is going to be really happy to hear this. I mean, this is good news.
No.
Yeah. Okay, so can we
Start now?
set up?
Yes, I will go get a tripod upstairs.
Okay.
And hey, thank you so much.
For what?
Leave for everything. You're such a sweetheart. I mean, you've been there for me through thick and thin. I literally cannot imagine my life without having you as a friend.
Listen,
for real.
Charlene, you're like a sister to me. And I promise you, this is how it's going to be till the wheels do what?
To death do us. Thank you, baby.
Alright,
Thank
it's
you.
fine.
Okay,
Okay,
I'm
so,
coming.
yeah,
Yes,
just go
right,
get it.
right.
Whoa, okay. This is a good day already.
Ooh, Kristen interview. Here we go. Hey guys, I am so excited to come on live again. I know you all missed me. So, I want to say sorry for my absence, guys. But while I was away, I've been reminiscing about a whole lot. And guys, I want to share a little secret with you all. Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a husband? I want to tell you guys the secret to keeping a good relationship. And that secret is communication. Yes. So if you know you have a partner, a boyfriend, a girlfriend, whoever, just make sure you always communicate your mind to that person. It does a whole lot. Oh, my friend behind this camera can testify that it does a whole lot. Okay. Then again, I would like you to send in your questions and what you want my next recipe to be like, or what you want me to cook, or do you want us to make smoothie? What? Tell me. My friend will read them out to me. Tell me. Welcome, my husband.
What is this?
What, babe?
What's with you telling people about your absence? Your marriage, your boyfriend, blah, blah, blah. All that rubbish online. I'm putting our family out there.
Babe, no. That's not what I meant. And that's not just what I said. I was just talking to my
Look,
friend.
this should not repeat itself. Consider this to be your final warning.
Babe. Babe, did someone offend you at work? But I didn't say anything wrong. Midday, I'm sorry. Honey, I'm sorry. My husband. Forgive your wife now.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay.
Yes, it's fine.
Yay! Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay, my love. So tell me, how was work today? What happened?
Well, work wasn't the usual. A lot happened today.
You see? I knew something was off. What happened, baby?
Well, we actually lost someone that was very dear to us. And the
Oh.
whole office was kind of bleak and down.
Oh, come here. Sorry. Sorry, okay? Sorry, my love. Cheer up.
I will.
Hi, Mike.
Charlene, how are you?
I'm good. How's Cherry? What did her school say?
Oh, that's actually why I called you. So, I lodged a formal complaint with Cherry's new school and authorities. And in as much as they tried to deny it at first, they later looked into it and it happens that a group of 3 students from the senior class has been hazing her.
Why?
Does it matter why? I mean, these guys can come up with just about any reason in the world to bully her. Anyway, the 2 of the said girls were apprehended and one already flew out of the country before we could get to her. But the authorities are working to get her back into the country.
Okay. But how is she though? Hope she's doing fine.
Actually, I think she's far from being okay, but she's hanging in. I'm already making some plans to get her into some therapy sections and all.
Yes. You really should, please.
I thought it's wise to update you.
Okay. Thank you.
So I don't know if we can arrange dinner or lunch with you. You know, a thank you dinner.
Okay. Sure, why not? That's fine.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Okay. You let me know when and where, okay? All right. Children of these days. Boy should bully my own child though. Mike, I had so much fun with Cherry today. Thank you.
Yeah, that makes both of you. I believe she had a wonderful time as well.
Ooh.
Charlene,
Yeah.
I want to thank you so much for tonight and the other time.
It's okay. Fine. Cherry, I have a mini present for you. Yes. Let's go to my house.
Really?
Let's go inside. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, hey, babe. My love. This is my friend from way back in uni. We ran into each other some weeks ago and then he asked me out for dinner. So we just got back. My husband.
Oh,
Yes.
sir. Good day, sir. And she forgot to add, I'm her ex. I'm Mike. And you are?
I'm a doctor.
Oh. Pleased to meet you, sir.
I'm talking to you.
Olumide gave it a rest already. He's just a friend I haven't seen in a long time. Yeah, what are you fishing out?
What am I fishing out?
Yeah.
Just a friend you haven't seen in a long time. That is your ex-boyfriend, right? The same ex you didn't tell me about. So you're trying to tell me now that you guys just met up and you decided to have dinner?
Yes. What's going through your head? And just so you know, Michael's daughter was in that car.
Oh, so there was a child in that car. Are you serious? And the both of you were busy frolicking and doing
Olumide, stop! Stop it! He's just my friend. I'm a married woman for crying out loud. Tell me that. That's something I will not condone. Unnecessary accusation because of his insecurities. That's rubbish.
Charlie, what if he has good reasons to be worried?
He has no reason at all. Nothing. Look, Midday and I have been married for some time now. He should give me some credit on trust. I'm his wife.
So, who is this guy causing rift between you and your husband? Is it someone I know?
Yes. It's Michael Makinde.
Michael Makinde.
As in Spartan. Yeah, the Spartan you know. What?
What did you say?
The Spartan you know now.
Since when?
A few weeks ago. Something happened with his child and unfortunately I was there at that time to help. So he asked me out for some appreciation dinner. After the dinner, he dropped me back home. That's when Midday saw him and lost it. That was so embarrassing. So rude.
Can I advise you?
On what?
You need to stay away from that guy.
Olivia, I will not. Stay away from him. Why? Because Midday is insecure? For Michael? Why? Listen, if Midday doesn't trust me enough, then he can go ahead and end the marriage. Rubbish.
Charlene, don't you think that's a strong word to use? Charlene!
Scared of whom to trust. Some scars are too deep. May not heal.
Babe. Here you are. My love, see. I got us tickets at our private cinema. It's been much tension here lately. Let's go and ease up. Please, babe.
I'm busy.
Midday, please. Can't you see I'm trying to apologize? I miss my home. Peaceful. Please.
I just said I'm busy.
Broken heart, wounded spirit, standing all alone.
Okay.
Scared of whom to trust. Some scars are too deep and may not heal. Whoa. Broken hearts, wounded spirit, standing all alone.
Yes, girl. My husband is such a baby. Any little slip from me, he makes sure he punishes me. Yeah, but I can't go all by myself. You have to go with me because those tickets are not refundable. No, Olivia, no excuse. We'll go together since I can't go with my husband. You, my best friend, you are going with me, okay? Olivia, I can't believe you didn't show up at the cinema. What, girl? I'm so upset. I'm mad at you.
Hang that phone up right now.
I'll call you back.
What does your time say? It's 12:30 a.m. in the morning. Where exactly are you coming from? I said, where are you coming from at this time? Is this the perfect time for a woman, a married woman, to be gallivanting? And who was that car that accompanied you here? I am asking you a question. Where exactly are you coming from? Charlene, I am talking.
Just stop it! Stop shouting! What? Did I not ask you to go to the cinema with me? And yes, that was Mike. He happened to be around the cinema at that time since Olivia couldn't make it.
Michael accompanied you to this house. To my house. And you think that's okay? Is that what you were out there doing with your ex-boyfriend?
What?
Okay.
I'm not gonna do this with you right now.
Is this what things has come to? That you bring Mike to my house? To where I live? All right. I know what to do. Invite Olivia, your friend and his daughter over for dinner sometime this weekend. And also, look, I'm sorry for everything that happened. It was totally my fault.
Midday. Wow. You want me to invite Michael and his daughter?
Yeah.
God, this is good. Thank you. Okay, I'll let him know now.
Okay.
Hi, Mike. Yeah. So my husband wants me to invite you, your daughter, over to us for dinner.
I don't think that's a good idea, Charlie.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I'm happy.
Mike, come on. It's going to be like a meet and greet.
You mean giving your husband the room to psych me and know if I have an ulterior motive?
No, it's nothing like that. He just wants us to bond. Our families. Trust me, your daughter will have fun.
Cherry is no longer a child, so
Mike, please. I'm begging. Just come.
fine. We will be there.
Thank you. My God.
So, tell me, what is it that you do?
Oh, I'm a designer, a web designer and a technician. It's Michael, by the way.
Wonderful. And what company do you work for?
I'm a kind of solo designer, freelance. Though I came up here on a job offer with the Domantes, though I'm still considering.
So in other words, what you're trying to say is that you're jobless. Oh, come on. No, we're just having a conversation between two grown-up men, right? Micah? As for me, you already know I am a doctor, and a renowned one for that matter. I have a real job.
Well, you made that title pretty obvious the first time we met. And to answer your question, I am not jobless. I'm only trying out my first 6 months with the company to see if I would stay with them or not.
You seem to have a good memory. So tell me, do you remember that she is married?
Midday. Michael and I were just good friends, okay? And if there's one thing I know Michael for is knowing his boundaries. You don't have to bring that up. Thank you. Okay, guys. Now that we are on the same page, I have good news to share with you all.
Yes, we do. Charlene is now the brand ambassador for Frizzle Foods.
Oh my goodness. Really?
Wow.
Yes, babe.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you, my love. I got the mail 2 days ago. I didn't tell you because I wanted it to be a surprise.
Congratulations, Miss Charlene.
Oh, thank you, cutie.
I've always knew you to have it inside, Charlie. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mike.
Charlie. Did my ears hear right? So you now go around calling married women by their pet names.
But I've always called her that.
Oh, you've always called her that. Back then when you were snagging her, right?
Midday.
Midday what?
What are you doing?
So your ego didn't allow you get over her after you guys broke up, that you had to keep tabs on her, that maybe someday you could get into her plans, right?
Olumide. Stop.
And I'm sure you are okay with the idea. Maybe you guys could lock yourself up in some closet. Like the whore that you are. All sorts of... Oh, wow. Look at this one. So is this the reason why she broke up with you? Because you're very temperamental. Amazing.
Such a hospitality. Thank you for having us. Sure, let's go.
Michael. Mike.
What? What is it? Is that what you told him? That I hit you and that's why we ended?
No. Mike, I didn't tell my husband anything. And he didn't know about us until recently.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Why? Because I'm one soured spot you don't want to prick open?
Huh?
Charlie, you broke us and you know it. One little mistake and you kicked me to the cops.
Mike, let's not do this in the presence of your daughter, please.
Oh. Newsflash. Sherry is my niece and not my daughter. Let's get out of here.
heart, wounded spirit, standing all alone. Scared of whom to trust. Some scars are too deep and may not heal. Broken hearts, wounded spirit, standing all alone. Scared of whom to trust. Some scars are too deep and may not heal.
Liv, I'm sorry about the live video.
It's okay. I already came up with an excuse for the fans. But what worries me is the contract reading and signing. Are you sure you can pull it off?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Are you truly fine?
Honestly, I don't know, Liv. Midday. Midday is not the man I married. He has completely changed. For bad. And it hurts me. It hurts me so much. Because we used to be so peaceful. And now everything is changing.
How are things with you and Michael?
I have not heard from Michael since. And I won't be surprised if I wake up one morning and realize he has blocked me everywhere. I deserve it. I feel so bad. I feel like I'm losing two people I care about. My husband and then my friend. I don't know.
It's
Why?
fine.
Why is it happening to me?
Charlene, you just need to relax, okay? Alright?
And now I've disappointed my fans too. My life is such a mess.
I told you I handled that already. Your fans are okay. Just relax.
About tomorrow, I'll drive you
Why?
because you're my wife and it's a very important day for you.
You have your work. We should both face our jobs respectfully. Hi, Mike. Thank you. My interview went so well. So, I was thinking if you would invite me out for lunch for a nicer congratulatory message. Oh. Hey, hello? But it was just a friendly outing I was asking for. Why is he so angry?
What? Why? Yes, honey, good afternoon. Honey, I thought we agreed not to take money from this account. We're saving for a purpose. Oh, Yemi didn't mention. Is she okay? Okay, it's fine. I thought we sent her money for everything she needed in school. Yemi, afternoon, how are you? If you wanted money, why didn't you ask me to send to you instead of asking my husband? No? No, nothing. Oh, I'll call you back. Okay. He didn't send Yemi money. Why would Mide lie to me? What? Nino, Babatunde. Hey. Charlene, are you okay?
Is he his father?
Whose father?
Your son, Nino. Is Olumide his father?
What? Charlene, what are you talking?
Don't you dare stand in front of me and lie! I traced every penny he diverted to your account, or should I say your secret account, in your son's name. Liz, how can you do this to me? How can you do this to me? You called me your sister. I took you as my best friend. How can you do this to me, Liz?
Charlene, I'm sorry.
Shut up. Shut up.
Charlene, I'm sorry.
Get out.
I
said get out! Just don't let me push you! Get out! Go! Oh God, this is not happening to me, God. Oh my God. Oh. Hey! Hey! Hey!
You have a son.
Look, Charlene, I can explain.
Shut up. Just go in. Pack your things and leave.
Baby, please.
Go somewhere far from me. I said get out! Go in, pack your things and leave! You're a monster. I hate you. Just go. Go somewhere really far away from me. Go! Get out! Get out! Get out! Go! Just go!
Broken heart, wounded spirit, standing all alone. Scared of whom to trust. Some scars are too deep and may not heal. Broken hearts, wounded spirit, standing all alone. Scared of whom to trust. Some scars are too deep.
What are you doing here? You were so clear on boundaries, so why are you here?
Charlene, what's going on between you and your husband? What's with him attacking me today? Saying all manner of trash that since I came into the picture, I ruined your marriage.
What?
Look, Charlene, I came here to warn you. Help me warn your husband to stay away from me. The next time he tries this, I will not hesitate to go on him man on man. Warn him I will not come here to repeat myself.
Mike, relax. What do you mean my husband attacked you?
I just told you, and I don't care whatever is going on between the both of you. Tell him to stay away from me. The next time he tries it, I swear to God, he would not like the outcome of it. Just warn him. Shirley, are you okay?
It was right under my nose. Betrayed by the two people I trust the most. I'm so foolish for not saying it. Foolish.
You don't have to blame yourself, Charlene. He's your husband. He wouldn't have been if you didn't trust him enough.
Mike, just stop. Stop with the pretense. Go on. Tell me what's in your mind. I mean, I broke up with you because you cheated on me. Yet I ended up with a cheating husband. Go on. Tell me you're happy. Tell me I deserved it. What do you want?
Here, I brought you food.
Mike, I've told you to stop with the pretense. I know you're happy about my situation. Stop.
Charlene, I'm not here to gloat or mock you. I care about you. So much. Yes, you hurt me. So bad. But that's not your fault in any way. But I would never, ever wish for anything like this to happen to you. You're a good person. You don't deserve how he treated you. Please. Take the food and at least have something in your belly. Eat and rest. Maybe much later, I'll take you out. Please.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So, can I ask you a question?
Sure. What is it?
When you said there are things I don't know about you, what did you mean?
Oh, that. It's
My
really.
don't.
Don't do what?
Don't start with the wanting to make me feel better thing. Just tell me. What don't I know about you?
Well, it's really nothing.
Okay,
I
you
will
said
tell
it's
you.
nothing. I'm concerned.
Okay, I will tell you. I will tell you. But just give me time.
What don't I know about you, Mike? Look, I was hurt. So broken. So sad. You broke me. But despite how I felt, I still tried to reach out to you. But you ignored me. Mike, something happened. Tell me, please.
Hannah lost the pregnancy at 3 months.
What?
She was blamed for being negligent about the whole thing, which is not entirely her fault. Then my sister and her husband died in a ghastly motor accident.
Mike.
His family came for the properties, not minding the 3 years old Sherry. I took her in and it's been herself on my since then.
Wow. I'm speechless. Mike, honestly, I'm so sorry. You know, I tried to reach out to your sister several times when I couldn't get through to you, but she ignored. And I felt like she didn't handle how I broke up with her brother. Maybe she was ignoring me too. I didn't know she died. You've been through a lot.
It's fine. You couldn't have known. Do you still love him? Charlie, I know you. And I can see it in your eyes that you still love him. I know that when you love with all your heart and everything. Look, Charlie, I want you to fix your family. I need you to call your husband. Talk to him. He's a man. He has done the mistake. The fact that he has a child outside with your best friend, you can still give him a chance. Look, just call him and fix your family. Don't let the mistake we made repeat itself. You still have the time to fix things.
Honestly, Mike, I miss my husband. And yes, I love him. I love him so much that I feel like I have forgiven him. But I just can't stand to look him in the face. Because I keep asking myself, why did he have to cheat on me?
And why with Olivia? Why?
Charlie, look, I can tell for free that I know that your husband loves you. See, all those things he was doing was out of jealousy and insecurity. And it's only a man that loves his wife that will act that way.
But why did he cheat on me though? Why Olivia? I don't know. I have so many questions to ask him.
Then pick up your phone. Call him. I believe he's going to tell you the truth. You don't need to break your home like this, please. The mistake we made already should serve as a lesson to you. Please. I'll always be here for you. Best friends forever.
Best friends. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Why did you have an affair with Olivia? Why did you hide your son from me?
I didn't want to lose you. And I didn't want to lose everything that we've built. Anytime I refused to see Olivia, she would always threaten me with coming out and telling you everything. And I was afraid. I didn't want to lose you. And I would succumb to her manipulations. And I'm sorry. I should have known better.
Why did you miss our anniversary? I know it's more than surgery. I know you, Midday. Tell me the truth.
On the day of our anniversary, I left the hospital and I was heading home to you. I swear it. And then I got a call from Olivia. And she told me that my son was in critical condition and he was running temperature. So I immediately went over to see him. And on getting there, I found out that there was nothing wrong with my son. He was fine. And I was being manipulated. So I immediately told Olivia that I didn't like what was going on and I didn't want to be there. But then she switched off my phone and she threatened that if I'd walk out that door,
that she was going to come out with the whole story and tell you everything. And she said that even though that day was special to me, that it was also special to her. And look, now that I'm telling you this, I see where I was wrong. I should have told you all this from the start. Because you were the one person that I didn't want to get hurt in all this. And my actions kept putting you in harm's way. And for this, I'm truly sorry.
Did you love her?
No, I didn't love Olivia, no. It was just a one-time thing.
So, it wasn't a continuous affair?
No. No, it wasn't.
What are your plans now? What you intend to do?
Charlene, you mean everything to me. It might seem like I am packing my things to go. But really, my heart is here with you. I have nowhere else to go. Because I have no one else to be with. I have done things that have really hurt you. And if I could take it all back, I will. But my actions have caused you to feel so much pain, and it hurts me every day to know what I've done to you. Charlene, if maybe you can find it in your heart to forgive me, I promise to do right by you.
Midday, you're my husband. We took a vow. For better or worse. Till death do us apart. I forgive you. I don't want you to go.
Charlene, I love you. And thank you for forgiving me.
I love you too.
It may be difficult to wave your past goodbye, but you have to. Life is best when we keep an open heart.